I mean, either go over there
and then you guys make contact shortly. Perfect. Awesome.
Okay.
This footage presents 3 intersecting legal questions that merit close examination. Each has direct implications for admissibility at trial and for department best practice.
Use the bathroom? Yeah. All right. You find anything in there? We over there at Costco?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use the bathroom.
You had to use the bathroom?
Yeah.
All right. Did you buy anything in there?
No, I had like 2 items. I was thinking about something.
You got ID with you?
No.
No?
Oh, we got it.
All right. Just relax for a second, okay? Let me see your hands. Just relax. Oh, just relax, buddy. You're all right. What is it? England? E-N-G-L-A-N-D?
Yeah.
That's your first name?
Where's your ID at?
Oh, I lost my ID.
You lost it? England.
I'm going to get it tomorrow.
You have anything with your name on it?
Look in your bag then?
Yeah.
Yeah, just look.
Before I'm in, so I have especially all the that's it. No, that's it.
Why you got a bunch of Tide Pods in here?
I had the bag on me, period, when I went in the store. I didn't even go to the food, so I went to the
What?
He admitted it. What do you think about throwing him in the car and just pulling up? I mean, he already admitted it, right? I don't know. I mean, because we don't have. I mean, now that we know that he did it.
Yeah, I mean, we don't really need to show up, I guess. He was standing right there watching him walk away.
All you need is now is to go with it, to tie it together.
Yeah.
Rather than you have to like walk all the way down there, which pisses me off. That's up to them. We appreciate you coming clean with us. That makes our job a little easier.
You want to sit in the car? I'll get the AC going for you.
Sit in the car, figure out the AC. We'll figure out if we can kick you loose, maybe give you a ticket, or are you from here?
Yes.
All right, have a seat. We'll see what we can do, okay?
You don't have anything crazy on you, right? Alright, sit down.
We'll crank the AC so you
I'll
can
get the
cool
air
down a
going
little
for
bit.
you.
Sit.
We'll see if we can get you out of here, alright?
Sit.
I'll see what I can do for you, okay? Let me turn the air up.
Hey,
Got
hey man, I can't really see me right now. I got thousands too, you know what I'm saying? Trying to sit like me.
Well, we're gonna have to drive, take you over there. Because these guys are slow. We want to get you out of here as fast as we can, you know?
Yes, sir.
It's hot. There you go. Hey, all right. Let me close this with the AC pumps. All right. I mean, either go over there.
Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, a brief investigative detention is lawful when supported by reasonable articulable suspicion. Here, dispatch relayed a specific description from a loss prevention witness who had maintained continuous visual contact from the point of concealment. That is reasonable suspicion in its strongest form. The initial approach itself, framed as casual questioning in a public place, qualifies as a consensual encounter under Florida v. Bostick, 1991. No suspicion was required at that stage. The transition from consensual encounter to Terry-level detention occurred lawfully. The search of the backpack is more delicate. Under Schneckloth v. Bustamante, 1973, consent must be voluntary, based on the totality of the circumstances. The officer's phrasing, quote, "Look in your bag then," close quote, is a directive rather than a request. On this record, the subject reached into the bag himself, which supports voluntariness. However, prosecutors would prefer an explicit exchange. Best practice. Ask, quote, "May I look in your bag?" Close quote, and confirm the subject understands he may refuse.
Police then speak with the store security staff.
Can Sorry.
I emailed inventory auditor to take it out of the system, so don't have our TV. I mean, they can just donate it or whatever.
Ralph, do you have ID with you? Thank you.
Yes, sir. How far did he walk down?
He was at the overpass right now.
He was so nervous.
Well, he's on something.
Yeah, he was on something. He went to the liquor store with $1.
Yeah, he was trying to buy something. We tried to buy one.
What's a good phone number for you? Alright, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, sir.
Swear everything you say is the truth, all truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me what you saw.
Okay, I'm walking back from the front door, and I just happened to see a gentleman with a backpack putting contents, I didn't know what contents at the time they were, into a backpack, put the box behind another box, and he took off and I called for it.
Okay.
I didn't know it was tied at the time until I walked back and saw it was tied and I gave it to the manager.
Okay. And then did you point him out to him, or you just gave him a description?
I gave him a description on my phone.
And,
I had his number, so I called him. I said, Flip, there's a gentleman, just saw this, this, and this. Camouflage pants, dark-skinned man, and
Okay.
backpack.
And then I saw him in down the other aisle.
Yeah, because
down
Justin.
At the end of that aisle.
Yeah, Justin told me to follow him because I had the eye. I didn't know that if I had the eyes on him, I was supposed to stay with him.
Yeah.
And then you watched him
Yep, I got him
all the way until
followed-
he exited.
Followed him throughout. I gave during dispatch play-by-play until he exited. My manager, David, confirmed the consumer of everything and told me to call you guys, and I got him right.
Did you ever approach him, or you just
No,
got the visual?
I just stayed back and gave you a play-by-play. Once he leaves, at least the front of the store, all of our staff is given definitive instructions to just stay back, call you guys if necessary.
Alright. And then you watched him all the way until I saw him right there on the bridge?
Yep, I followed him at a good distance. When he left the store, he actually went into our liquor store, asked the cashier for something, he took $1. I don't know why. But then once he was denied whatever that was, I followed him until he got to Norfolk Boulevard and started going eastbound. And then you guys made contact shortly then.
The Miranda question is the most consequential. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, a Terry stop on a public sidewalk is not custody because a reasonable person understands the detention will be brief. The subject's inculpatory admission occurred before he was placed in the patrol vehicle with no weapons drawn, no handcuffs, and no physical restraint. On these facts, the admission is likely admissible without Miranda. Once the subject was seated in the patrol car, however, custody attached. The officers correctly declined further substantive questioning at that point. A clear, recorded Miranda warning at the transition would eliminate any suppression argument entirely. The applicable charge is retail theft under Florida Statute, Section 8, 12.015, together with petit theft under Section 8, 12.014, subsection 3. With merchandise valued under $100, the offense is a misdemeanor of the second degree, punishable by up to 60 days in county jail. A notice to appear under Florida Rule of Criminal Procedure 3.125 was a proportionate disposition option available on these facts.
Okay. That's it. Yeah, he confessed everything post Miranda, so it's fine. I'll just send you an email for the video. What's the email?
What we found is easier because the only computer in the building that can do that is this one, but I've got the camera system here. So best thing would be for me to, what I'll do is I'll put it on a thumb drive with a paper with the case number and your name on it, or even if it's assigned to a detective, with their name on it, and then they can come in and anybody supervisor knows, and I'll let them know. There's a flash drive for Officer Luciano, it's in my box.
Okay.
This will probably be easier for you than me trying to email it.
Alright. I'll just give you my card. Just shoot me an email whenever it's ready. I'll come pick it up at some point. I'll be here the next couple days.
So we will, on video, I'll tell you, because the concealment was happening down an aisle, we don't have any eyes down there. What we will have is him walking in with a back record, which is what I'm trying to find at the moment, and then him essentially walking throughout the store and then leaving. Concealment of our property, unfortunately, we won't have.
That's alright. You witnessed it, and we have a full confession,
Yeah,
so it's
perfect.
not...
Awesome.
Okay.
The officers receive a B+ for professional restraint, sound Terry analysis, and considered discretion, marked down for imprecise consent phrasing, and no recorded Miranda warning at the custody transition. The subject receives a C for cooperation without invocation of any Fifth Amendment protection. Costco loss prevention receives an A- for textbook P4 for textbook observation and merchant officer coordination, with one aisle camera coverage gap noted. 3 lessons emerge from this encounter. First, phrase every consent request as an explicit question, not a directive, and make refusal a live option. Second, deliver Miranda warnings on the record the moment custody attaches, even when no further questioning is intended. Third, if you are ever the subject of a police encounter, the right to remain silent and the right to counsel exist to be invoked calmly and clearly. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.